Today's lesson is Lesson 18, Coordinate Planes Differences, still Common Core Standard 6 NS8. You're going to need some graph paper for this lesson. Make sure you have some. And go ahead and copy down the title and then press play when you're ready to begin. Okay, so this lesson is going to ask you things like find the difference between ordered pair -5, 2 and ordered pair -9, 2. I'm going to do this first one as an I do. Be sure you have your game face on though. Put your pencil down, your pen down, whatever you're writing with. But make sure your brain is turned on, your ears are listening, you're really focused on this because you don't want to miss any part of it. It will make sense if you can really focus on what's going on. We'll do an I do, a we do, and a you do for this one. So the first thing I would need to do in order to find the difference between those two ordered pairs is I would need to plot the two ordered pairs first. So I'm going to start by plotting -5, 2. And by now you're getting pretty good at plotting ordered pairs on a coordinate plane. So I'm going to go -5 on the x, there, and +2 on the y, there, and I mark it. Now I'm going to plot -9, 2. So that's -9 on the x, +2 on the y, there. Okay, and then so to find the difference between them, I just count. How far would it take me to get from one to the other? Well, it would take me 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. So the answer would be 4 is the difference between those 2 points. And then you'll also be asked, does it create a horizontal or a vertical line? So just a reminder, horizontal, like the horizon, is laying flat. Vertical is up and down. So in this case, these two ordered pairs, the difference between them is a horizontal line. That would be the answer to that question. Let's go look at a we do. Go ahead and copy down this coordinate plane onto your graph paper and then push play when you're ready to begin, and we'll do this one together. So the first thing, if we're going to find the difference between 1, -3, the ordered pair 1, -3, and the ordered pair -4, -3, the first thing we need to do is plot both spots on the coordinate plane. We'll start with the ordered pair 1, -3. So we're going to start at 0 and go 1 on the x and -3 on the y, and that puts us right there. Now we're going to plot the ordered pair -4, -3. That's -4 on the x, -3 on the y, and that puts us right there. At this point, we just need to count the difference to get from one line to the other. It would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots to get there. 5 is the difference between the two. And then we ask ourselves, does that create a horizontal or a vertical line? Remember, horizontals are flat, verticals are up and down. So in this case, this is a horizontal line. We'll just say horiz for horizontal. Horizontal line. I don't like that on that top of that I. It looks like an O. Horizontal line. All right, it's your turn. It's time for the you do. Go ahead and copy down this coordinate plane and the question that says find the difference between the ordered pair 3, -5 and the ordered pair 3, 2. Go ahead and plot those spots, find the difference between them, and identify if they create a horizontal or a vertical line. Push pause until you can complete that. And when you've completed it, push play so you can check your answer to see if you got it correct. Okay, let's see how you did. You needed to first plot the ordered pair +3, -5. So that is 3 on the x and -5 on the y down here. Mark it. And then we need to plot the ordered pair 3, 2. That's 3 on the x, +2 on the y, that's the spot there. Find the difference between them, just means that we're going to count from there to there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's a total of 7 steps between them. That's the difference between the two. And what type of line does it create? Does it create a horizontal, flat, or vertical, up and down? It creates a vertical line. So that would have been the correct answer for that. Hopefully you got that. If you'd like, you can rewind and review what you need to. If you're not quite sure on things and you want to hear some of the stuff again, or if you're still needing more help, you can ask me about it as well. If this makes perfect sense and you're ready to take your closure questions and prove to me that you understand it, go ahead and get your closure questions, and let's see how you do. See you soon.